In this question, if I use the substitution method, so if I substitute cos x plus sin x equals to any variable, then its derivative, which is minus of sin x plus cos x, is not available in the numerator. So first I need to change the expression such that I could be able to use the substitution method. So I know that cos2x is can also be written as cos square x minus sin square x. So if I use the formula here, I'll get cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. And from a initial formula of algebra, which says a square minus b square can be written as 1 minus b, a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So if I use the formula here, I'll get cos x minus sin x multiplied by cos x plus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x square. So I can cancel one term from here. So the remaining term will be cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. So now we have changed the expression in a form such that we can use the substitution method here, since integration derivative of sin x plus cos x, which is cos x minus sin x, is available in the numerator. So we need to find out the integration I equals to cos 2x by cos x plus sin x square dx. So this term is changed in cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x dx. So if I substitute cos x plus sin x equals to t, then its derivative, which is cos x minus sin x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x and derivative of sin x is cos x. So dx equals to dt. Just put the value in the integration. We will get dt by t, and its integration is log t plus c. So just put the value of t, which is cos x plus sin x.